and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen, and today I'm making a soap with this fragrance. It's called Sun-Dried Cotton from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Oh, this is really nice. I love hanging my laundry out in the sun to dry. I did it for years because I didn't have a dryer, and there's just something really nice about sun and air dried crisp laundry. It just, ooh, yay. Your towels are extra absorbent. I'm going off on a tangent here. Anyway, it made me think of a laundry line in the country, sort of picturesque, breezes and, the beautiful white sheets flowing in the wind. That's what it made me think of. I don't know how a fragrance can make you think of stuff, but I think scents do kind of evoke sometimes emotions or pictures in your head. So anyway, with that in mind, laundry can be many colors. I just went back there and looked at my shelf of micas. I'm like, you know what? I haven't used these in a while. So I'm going to use emerald green mica from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This is beautiful. It's kind of a, it's like a tealy color. It's gorgeous. So that'll be one color, and then I'm going to use, this is a POW color, this canary yellow from Be Scented. It's a little bit neon. I'm just going to use a little. But I thought those two would look really like sunshine and just crisp linens flowing on a line. Just a little. This does say that it discolors to light yellow, this fragrance. It does not have vanillin, but the reviews might have a little discoloration. So I might put a little TD in the uncolored portion. We'll see when we get there. This is going to be a goat milk soap, and I will do milk and oil method like I normally do. And I think I'll probably do a hanger swirl. I don't know. I haven't thought about the body yet. No piping today. So I just want the swirls to really be beautiful and kind of breezy looking. I got to think on that while I get everything pulled together. So let me get everything ready to go. And we will come back and make some sun-dried cotton, like breezes in a laundry line inspired, if you can think of that. All right. Sorry, I went way off. Let's come back and make some soap. All right, it's soap additives time. And I have my beautiful, gorgeous, farm fresh goat milk here that's going to go in milk and oil method. That's how I like to do it. And then I am going to add heavy cream powder in here. Just, because we got the goat milk, let's just take it over the top with luxury. Creamy, the lactic acids are great for your skin. So heavy cream powder's going in. And I've got my kaolin clay and colloidal oats. That is just shy. That's about a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon, not quite 2 tablespoons. This is 2 tablespoons of the kaolin clay and 2 tablespoons of the colloidal oats. I'm going to get these all blended up and ready to go, and then we'll be back when the lye solution is cooled. It's time to add the lye solution, and I wanted to read the scent description to you. It says fresh notes of lemon, mandarin, and cottonblossom with nuances of ylang-ylang and rose. I'm not picking up any floral in here. It just smells beautiful to me. So that's the scent description. It's just fresh and lovely. I did read all the reviews. A couple people said there was a mild acceleration, so I have the fragrance off to the side. I will add it after the colors are well blended, just to be cautious because I have not worked with this fragrance before. But here is the lye solution. We've got cane sugar, tussa silk fibers, and sodium lactate in the magic lye pot, as per my usual. So we'll get this up to emulsion, split it off for the colors, get them blended, then we'll add the fragrance in and get this in the mold. It's the next day and I cannot wait to get in here. It smells so pretty and I love how the colors came out. I did come down earlier and steam the top. There was no soda ash, but it was a little dull and I just wanted to brighten it up. So that's that glossy. It's dry, but it gave it a little gloss. So let's get it out of here and see how the inside looks. We're back with the lovely Olga, and let's get into this first loaf. I'm loving the tops. And if you hear a lot of noise in the background, I have a generator going in the background, so I apologize for that loud noise. I'll just try to speak up so you can hear me over that. Anyway, let's get in here and see how the colors are coming. And the swirls, that yellow, wow. That yellow, hello. That is a very bright yellow, but isn't that beautiful? I'm thinking about calling these sunshine and cotton just because of the yellow and the green, which I love. It has just a little bit of an aqua tint to it. So pretty. These smell fantastic today, so that is a huge plus. And these swirls are pretty. It did not accelerate, but it did move. So this fragrance is a I wouldn't call it fast accelerating, but you don't want to play around with it for too long. In other words, it definitely didn't slow it down, but I thought it was very workable, very nice, and the scent, well worth it. Wow, that yellow. I'm gonna have to do something fun with this bright yellow because that is quite the brightness. All right, let's get into the middle loaf. So fun. All right, let's see if we have a soapy pattern here. Oh, pretty. Looks like a butterfly. I'm loving that. I'll do a pattern video at the end for you. All right, let's get into this last loaf, get it cut. And like I normally do, I'm going to let these sit for a couple of hours and let the surface area dry before I come back in to bevel and stamp. And then I will do a soapy pattern, I think. I think I've got enough patterns here to get a couple of fun ones out of these. We'll give it a shot and see. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the bell for notifications, and let me know how your summer's going. It's hot and muggy here in Tennessee at the time I'm filming this. It is unseasonably warm and muggy, and humidity is not my friend. But this makes me smile. Sunshine and cotton, I like that. That'll make me happy. So anyway, I hope that you have a really wonderful day today.